Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to do CPA marketing in 2023 even if you are absolute beginner. And this will be actually a CpaGrip tutorial, but you can successfully apply this method on other CPA affiliate networks as well. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to find CPA offers to promote. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use CpaGrip, but like I said, you can successfully apply this method on other CPA affiliate networks as well. So here I'm going to choose for countries, I'm going to choose United States. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to find at least 3 CPA offers in same niche that I wish to promote. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote one of these offers. So let's just say, for example, let's just say I wish to promote this offer here, enter for $10,000 now. When I click here, what I need to do, I actually need to copy title of this CPA offer, Control C, and I need to paste that in Notepad because I'm going to need that later. I'm going to paste that here, and also I need my CpaGrip affiliate link. I'm going to paste that here, and next thing I need to do, I actually need to right click here, open in new tab, and I need to save this image on my desktop. Simply right click here and then click here on save images and save this image on your desktop. So let me just close this, and I need to find at least 2 more offers. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote, for example, let's just say play and get $750 PayPal gift card. When I click here, same thing. I need to copy title of this CPA offer and I need to paste that here. And also I need to copy my CpaGrip affiliate link and I need to paste that here. And also same thing. Right click here, open in a new tab, and then right click here, save images to save this image on my desktop. And I need to find at least 1 more offer to promote. So for example, let me just find one of these. Okay, get your Amazon gift card now. When I click here, same thing. I need to copy title of this CPA offer and I need to paste that here, and I need to copy my CpaGrip affiliate link and I need to paste that here. And again, same thing. Right click here, open in a new tab, right click here, save images to save this image on my desktop. So now when I have at least 3 CPA offers to promote, next thing I need to do, I actually need to make a bridge page, because many of these big websites, many of these big companies, they actually don't like CPA marketing. So what I can do, I can actually go on a website called Webflow, and you can create a website here, you can create a bridge page or landing page here totally free. In my previous video, I actually showed you how you can create a free account. So what you need to do, you need to click here on new site because we wish to create a new website. It is really easy. I'm going to show you. Many of you actually told me, yeah, they didn't get some stuff. So I'm going to show you again how to make a website in Webflow. Here you can see, you can choose one of their free templates, or you can create a website from blank, okay? Here you can see there are also paid templates if you wish your website to look professional, but also when you scroll here and when you click here on view more, you can view more free templates that you can actually use for your own website. Here you can see they have lots and lots of available free templates. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this template here because they have 3 offers. Click here, use for free, okay? And now what I need to do, I need to give it a name. So let's just say, for example, CPA for this purpose. Of course, you will name your website something that is related to your CPA offers. But for the purpose of this video, I will just leave it as CPA. Click here on create site and it will automatically create a website that I can actually edit any way I want. Here you can see they are currently processing my website, and this is actually a pretty quick process, as you can see here. So again, I don't need this thing here. Left click here and then press delete on your keyboard, and that's it. I removed that. Here I actually need to give it a name. So let's just say, for example, free gifts, for example. Okay, free gifts. Okay, something like that. Like I said, you will give it a better name. Now I don't need this again. Right, left click here, delete. And this also, left click here, delete. I don't need that, just delete all the things that you don't need. Also, you can change this image here if you want. Here, now I don't need this on either, this either, I don't need that. This stuff here, I don't need that. So simply delete all the stuff that you don't need, okay? Just delete like this, I can leave this. So now I actually need to add my CPA offers. This thing here, I don't need that. Simply left click here and delete. So next thing I need to do, I need to click here on this plus on this in upper left corner. Click here, and then what I need to do, I need to find an image. This is the image. simply drag that here, okay? Here you can see now I can actually add my image. And then just click here, choose an image, okay? And then click here on this little cloud and upload the image for this CPA offer. So for example, let's just say that this is my CPA offer, okay? Give it a few seconds to actually upload that image. And now as you can see, that image is added. Now I need to simply copy the title of that CPA offer and I need to paste that here, okay? Paste that here. And what I can do, I can actually make this text here, I can make it to be center, okay? Just like this, okay? So here on the right side, so let me just find that, okay? When I click here, now this text is on center. Of course, you can change a letter style, you can change to be bold or italic, to be smaller letters or larger letters, something like that. You can change all of those stuff. And I need to add 2 more offers. So to add our CpaGrip affiliate link in this case, what I need to do, I actually need to copy my CpaGrip affiliate link. And then again, here in upper left corner, click on this little plus and then drag this button here, okay? Drag that button and here where it says URL, I need to paste my CpaGrip affiliate link, press enter and that's it. I added this. And when you double click here, you can actually change the button text. I can say, for example, sign me up, just like on this button here, okay? Sign me up, okay? Sign me up. That is my button. And I can do exactly the same for all 3 offers. I added all 3 CPA offers. So all I have to do now is here in upper right corner, click here on publish, choose here you can see they automatically gave me name for my website and domain name for my website. If I'm using custom domain, I will actually have to pay for that. But because I'm using free plan, I have to stick with their free domain, okay, subdomain. Just click here on publish to the selected domain, give it a few seconds, and they will publish your website. Within just a few seconds, here you can see in just 5 minutes, we created our website. Here you can see website published successfully. And when I click here, you can see how my website actually looks. As you can see, pretty good. Like I said, you will make this better than I did. I'm making this just for the purpose of this video. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to go on Canva. And here we need to create a pin, a Pinterest pin. Here you can see I already made a Pinterest pin. It is really simple, really easy to do. I gave them simple call to action. I've already showed you many times how to make these pins, so I will not show you again. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to go on Pinterest and we need to click here on create and then click here create a pin and then we need to upload that pin that we created in Canva. We need to upload it here on Pinterest. And then here where it says add a destination link, we need to create a link to our Webflow website. Simply copy this and paste that link here. And all you have to do after that, you need to add a title, description, choose the right board, and after that click here on save, and that's it. You saved your Pinterest pin. But in order to make this pin go viral, in order to start getting traffic as fast as possible, what you can do is you can simply go on a website called likeforlike.org and you can register for a free account and you can hover over free credits or you can simply click here on free, get credits for free, and you can start earning free credits. And after you earn 200, 300, 500 free credits, what you need to do, you simply need to click here on add manage pages. Click here. And now here you need to choose what you actually wish to do. I actually wish to add a link to my Pinterest pin. So I can also hover over here and I can simply click here on Pinterest saves and then click here add manage. And I can click here on add a new Pinterest link. And here I need to add a URL to my Pinterest pin. Here I need to add a short description. Here I need to choose how many credits I actually wish to give people for every Pinterest save. Okay, I can give them up to 21 credits. And all I have to do after that is just click here on submit and that's it. I will submit my pin and people will start saving my Pinterest pin and I will start getting targeted free traffic from Pinterest to my Webflow website. And some of those people will start clicking on these buttons here and they will start submitting their emails and I'm going to start making money with CPA marketing in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.